today's reset day, so I'm gonna go through and I'm just gonna clean my house. And oh yeah, also, I had, like I said, I got 2 job interviews. I got offered 2 different jobs. So yeah, that's fun. So perfect, that's great though, you know, because that means I won't be poor for too much longer after moving. And yeah. So basically, I'm just gonna clean my house today. Hang out with me while I clean my kitchen and probably my bedroom and other parts of my life that are probably just a little bit too personal to be shared on the internet, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And we're done. Just like that. Like 30 minutes for me, like 2 seconds for you. My counters are clean again. So cool, yeah. Task 1 of the day, or 2, 3, I'm not sure. It's accomplished. Pantry update, for if anyone was wondering, it's chock full of junk food, but definitely so much better than when we started. One thing I hate doing with a ridiculous amount of fashion is folding. I only have 4 minutes worth of memory left on this card, but all my clothes are getting organized. So the rest of them are coming soon. I still have a basket there, a basket there. And I'll be honest with you, I still got a whole another closet full. So I still got a lot more work to do with the clothes. So I'm sitting here and I thought I like looked out the window. I was like, oh my God, dog's outside. No, my dog's right there. That is some other dog. But yeah, same time, I was like, ah. I was like, Dexter. No, Dexter's here. Dexter's always there. Yeah. Dexter's like a shadow. I bought some new Swiffer pads. So I bought a new Swiffer mop, and it came with mop lavender Swiffer, heavy duty lavender scented pads. Then, a sweep Malaya, heavy duty. I don't know what that means. Is that a different language? I don't know. Anyhow, we're gonna see if the Swiffer can get up these weird spots on this weird linoleum floor. And I'll show you, I'll check back with you. This one, and this one, and this one. They all seem to be the byproduct of whomever came and put the flooring in to this new apartment, or this, yeah, new to me apartment. So I'm gonna test out the Swiffer pads that came with the new Swiffer that I have, and then we'll check out these. I bought these because they seemed a lot more, yeah, just Swiffer wet cloths. That's where I've usually had the best luck with the Swiffer. I will be honest with you, the only thing I need my Swiffer to do is just, I need more sturdy handle. Sometimes I get to scrubbing too hard and it just like almost bends, right? Either way, love my Swiffer. So we're about to Swiffer for the first time. I think we're just gonna try out the wet cloths as opposed to the lavender one, just for like an initial try. All right, let's see. I mean, definitely lighter than it was. It's like, I don't know if it's glue. I mean, 100% lighter. What's this? All right, well, 98% out. I'm gonna go back at it with some cleaner and some like steel wool or something. But hey, yeah, this worked pretty good. The camera that I was using just ran out of, there's someone outside. The camera that I was using just ran out of memory card storage space. So I'm gonna have to just upload all that footage and then switch to a different camera and then get more memory cards, which are honestly nowadays I feel like they're kind of expensive, but we'll figure it out. Let me just download all this and see what we can do.